Lots of people are taking advantage of the new recipes coming out for sheet pan dinners, where you make all of your meal and cook it in one pan. And it's so convenient to take it out of the oven and serve it. We're going to make one today using chicken breasts, a head of broccoli, some Hidden Valley Ranch dressing, and stovetop stuffing. And this is going to be made in a foil packet and baked in a sheet pan. So let me show you how to put this one together. It's so easy. To start with, we're going to wash the head of broccoli and cut it into floret sized pieces. Then we're going to open the chicken pack and get that ready. This is a total of about 2 pounds of chicken. We have 4 separate chicken breasts, so we're going to make 4 packets out of aluminum foil. We're going to rip the foil pieces to be large enough to enclose a nice dinner, and we're going to spray them with a light coating of Pam so that nothing will stick when it's finished cooking. Alright, first I'm going to wash the broccoli, cut it up, and we'll get ready to go. Alright, I washed and separated the broccoli a little bit here, but we're going to cut off the little florets as I said, so they're bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to take the stalks that are left, and I'm going to use that for some vegetable stock that I'm going to use in a soup later on today. So we don't have to eat the tough parts in this little packet. We'll just have the nice little florets. Alright, that should be enough. And they're small enough they'll fit right into the foil nicely. Okay, there we go. Alright, save these for later. The next step is to mix our stovetop stuffing. Now, I used the savory herb variety here of stuffing mix. You can buy the stovetop stuffing that's made for chicken if you like the flavors that are in that. So, just have to pack it. It's so easy. If you haven't tried these sheet pan dinners yet, give it a try, because this is the quickest way to put your meal together, and then you can relax and enjoy dinner too. Alright, just 1 packet of savory herb stuffing. There are so many nice recipes where stovetop is the start, because it has lots of herbs and nice flavors in there, and you already have your breadcrumbs all prepared for you. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water to that mixture. And then we're just going to fluff it around a little bit. Doesn't have to be cooked. It'll cook that right underneath the chicken. Alright, the next step is to get our foil packets out here. Now I made 4 sheets of foil, and each one is going to get sprayed with some Pam. So let's spread these out a little bit so we have some room to work. Alright, first a little spray. Next, we're going to evenly divide the stovetop stuffing among these 4 sheets. So give yourself an idea what that would look like. A little pile in each. Boy, you can smell the herbs. It's so nice. And then just split it all up so it looks even. I learned the importance of divvying up all the ingredients when I was growing up, because my mom used to make us cream puffs, and they were so good and everybody loved them. And the kids would all grab a cream puff and we would actually weigh it on a male scale just to see who got the heaviest cream puff. So we'll have even amounts of stuffing here. Now right on top, we'll lay a nice piece of chicken breast, and each one of these chicken breasts is about a half a pound. The next step, we're going to use the Hidden Valley Ranch dressing, and you can buy the Hidden Valley Ranch dressing in so many flavors of ranch, like jalapeno and all kinds. So we're going to use the squirt bottle here, and we're just going to cover each chicken breast with a nice serving of Hidden Valley Ranch dressing for flavor. Okay, the only thing left to do is add the broccoli. So we're going to, again, add a handful to each pack. Try to spread this out so that you can actually seal the foil and fold it over so that nothing leaks out. So if you do feel like it may not stay closed, take another piece of foil and tighten that up. You definitely want to keep the steam and heat and all the juices enclosed in that packet. Now, if you try this recipe and you like it, experiment with it and see how you would like to add different dressings, or you could add cheese. The sheet pan is a great thing, but this has an added value. Since we're using foil packets, they can be handed out at different events, parties, church groups, band camps, all kinds of things where you just want to give a person a meal in one package. And tailgating is another great place where you could take advantage of this. Heat everything, and after they're cooked, put them in an insulated container. Take them along to a tailgating party. Okay, now I'm just going to take a sheet pan, which you can use any style pan you have. If it's a cookie sheet or some kind of cake pan, just lay your pieces in the pan. Try to spread them out so there's a little room between each so they bake more evenly. And we're going to put that in the oven at 400 degrees, and we're going to cook it for 40 minutes. Now, if you have a larger, heavier piece of chicken, of course, cook it longer. Just make sure that the meat is done thoroughly when you take it out of the oven. All right, let's bake these things, and we'll have dinner later. All right, getting these out of the oven. I'm going to poke into the side of the chicken, pack it in, check the temperature. Stick into the chicken. Can you see that it's over 189 degrees? We can safely say that chicken's done. Now let's make them rest for a few minutes so the chicken's nice and juicy, and we'll open one up. Open it up. And if you want to really be careful, you could make a slot in here and let the steam escape a little bit so nobody gets burned, but just carefully open the foil. That's one nice part about having double foil. Oh my goodness. If you could only smell this delicious chicken. Woo! How's that for a sheet pan meal? We have the broccoli, the chicken, nicely seasoned and flavored. And you can smell. Alright, I just want to show you a little bit here how tender this is. Nice tender chicken, juicy stuffing and meat juices. And the broccoli's nicely done as well. Alright, give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching me put this chicken dinner together. I hope you get a chance to try the recipe yourself. And consider trying some of the sheet pan meals. They're so quick and easy, and this one is an interesting way to serve it, and it might fit into some of your lifestyle needs at dinner time. So have fun with it. Thanks for watching.